Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager immediately. Use that shortcut to avoid using the Start menu. In Task Manager, click File in the top left menu. Choose Run New Task to open the Create Task dialog window. In the dialog, type Explorer. EXE exactly as shown and press Enter. Windows Explorer will launch and appear under Apps or Processes in Task Manager immediately. Select Windows Explorer under Processes and click Restart to refresh it. Restart will terminate the current Explorer. EXE and automatically relaunch it. If Explorer is missing entirely, use File, then Run New Task and type Explorer. EXE. Optionally, check Create this task with administrative privileges for an elevated restart. That checkbox helps when Explorer needs admin access to load specific shell extensions. After restarting, watch for taskbar and desktop icons to reappear normally. To make Explorer appear automatically, create a startup shortcut to Explorer. EXE. Open Run, type Shell Startup, then create a new shortcut to C/Windows/Explorer. EXE. Alternatively, open Task Scheduler and create a task that runs Explorer. EXE at logon with highest privileges selected. Use the specific path C/Windows/Explorer. EXE when defining the action in the task. Log out and log back in to confirm Explorer appears in Task Manager under
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.